bad weather. It's snowstorm, it's a windy weather outside. Even I can't drive. My speed is
Turn right onto Lady Slipper Drive.
per kilometer. Make a right hand from here. Even you can't see anything, right? You can't see anything, but we have to reach at home. Even we are very close to home, right?
Yes, like 2 minutes away.
Yeah.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Dewdrop Crescent.
Oh my gosh. Look, we can't see anything. Now it's a little bit visible. Unbelievable weather. All the way from Mississauga to Waterloo.
Take the next right onto Dewdrop Crescent, then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
Here is our home is over there, like 50 meters.